Okay. Yeah, crooked shaft, folks. I was trying to eat some soul food, man. But he put his goons on me in the street. Yeah, like they was trying to take my food. I'm like, what is going on? People, that's a dirty, crooked sex offender shaft, folks. That's a dirty sex offender shaft. And they mad because I'm eating, folks. They mad because I am eating in the streets. See, they selling all that poison to these junkies out here. This ain't nothing but a game, folks. Man, I don't do drugs, folks. I don't know why that serial killer Sab snuck behind me while I was eating. Then you got a white supremacist white guy right over here hanging in this camera. And I'm people, 3 street guys that was on crack that's going to a program come walking right on me. They playing a game, folks. These are dirty blacks, folks. You are dealing with dirty blacks. Now, see, they is behind a TCBY yogurt ice cream place, and he all behind me, playing behind me. Come on now. These black folks will set you up around here, folks. See? You got a clan right over here, folks. I don't know why these crazy racist folks is playing a game, but I ain't scared of with that crooked shaft. Now, he was back at that yogurt shop rapping to a lady, folks. Got something going on around him, people. I can't even eat in peace. See, people, these people are sex offender rapists. Yeah, now he's flirting with a hooker back here. All the places that he could have flirted with that girl at. Yeah, folks, they playing a game around here. People, I thought I was to myself eating a big soul food meal, folks. These are nuts in Memphis, people.